Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Aksa. I am your science teacher. Here I am with your science book from your course, The Science Vector. Today I am going to teach you the unit 1, the human body. What does the human body mean? Human body is made up of the internal organs. And here the question is that what does the organ mean? Organ is present in our human body and has a special function for us, like brain, heart, liver, lungs. All these are organ in our body, and all they have the special function, and all they have their own function in our body. First of all, we will study about the brain. What does the brain? The brain is the part of the body nervous system. It controls speech, thought, balance, movement, the senses, emotions, dream, and all other body function. ब्रेन क्या करता है? ब्रेन हमारी नर्वस सिस्टम का एक पार्ट है जो हमारे अंदर बोलना, हमारी हरकत करना, हमारी सेंसेस, हर चीज़ को फंक्शन कर रहा होता है. Your brain sends messages around the body so that all the parts of your body know what to do and when to do. These messages travel more than, this is important line, messages travel more than 240 kilometers per hour, 150. This is twice as fast as the fastest land animal, the cheetah. They have given the example that the messages can travel as fast as the land animal, cheetah. Okay. The human brain. Here is the picture of the human brain. The human brain look like this. It is having the different part. First of all, here you can see that the cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain, and it has the 4 parts. These 4 parts are the frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and temporal lobe. And all these parts are having their own special function. First of all, the frontal lobe controls reasoning, planning, emotions, and problem solving. The parietal lobe controls movement, recognition, and same senses. The occipital lobe processes what you see. The temporal lobe controls memory and speech and processes what you hear. The cerebrum controls balance and movement. The brain stem links the brain to the rest of the body. This is the brain stem. Here. This is the brain stem, and it links the brain to the whole body. On your page 5, you're having the question. Answer the question, what is the function of the following? You have to write the function of the following, that occipital lobe, temporal lobe, frontal lobe, and parietal lobe. We are having the answer of all this function on the page 5, that frontal lobe. This is the function of the frontal lobe. Frontal lobe control reasoning, planning, movement. This parietal lobe, occipital lobe, temporal lobe. You will write all the function of these from this page. Our second topic or our second organ is heart. What the heart does? Heart क्या करता है हमारी बॉडी में, and why heart is important? Heart is a muscle. This is very important line, and you will underline it, that heart is a muscle. Its job to pump blood around your body so that oxygen reaches every part of your body. Oxygen is a gas that human needs to live and grow. Okay, we can also ask that what is the job of the heart? So, what you will say, its job is to pump blood around your body. Your heart is about the size of your fist. Here the size. Underline it. The heart is about the size of your waist. The average weight of the woman's heart is, this is the average weight of the woman heart, and man's heart is the 285 gram. Here is the figure of the human heart. The human heart look like this. It has the 4 chambers. These are the right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. And all these chambers have their own function. The heart is divided into 4 chambers: left atrium, right atrium, the left ventricle and the right ventricle. Here you are having the activity on your page number 7. You have to complete the crossword. You can fill and write down these blanks easily by reading the previous pages. Now I have covered 2 topics in this video, that is the brain and the heart. We have learned about the heart and the brain in this video.